Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make YouTube script videos with the help of ChatGPT. I'm using two methods to create these scripts. The first one, I'm only using ChatGPT to create the script of the video, the hashtags, the description, and the thumbnail of the video. And for the second one, for the script, I'm gonna copy already successful YouTube video scripts from other videos using an extension that helps me copy the whole script of any video I want and rewrite that script and make it my own. Let's start. Before starting, what I do is, let's say for example I want to create a channel about money. So what I do is I create a calendar, a schedule content for my channel, and to do so I'm using by the way, I'm using this AIPRM for ChatGPT extension that I've already explained in a previous video. You can see that later. So let's begin. What I do is go to the search bar here and type in calendar, and this is the first prompt that comes up: get a monthly content calendar in one click. That's the one I use. It's very popular, as you can see. So I click on it and I insert the primary keyword I want to create content for. So for my case, I'm gonna create a channel about money, so I'm gonna type money. I've already done that. So yeah, this is the results this prompt gave me. The keyword is money, as you can see. So it gave me a 4-week content calendar. So the first content that I'm gonna make is 10 easy ways to save money. The second one, how to start investing your money with just $100. The third, the ultimate guide to budgeting for beginners, etc, etc. So this is week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. Basically I'm gonna be posting 4 times a week. This is it for the content calendar. This one I'm gonna use for both methods. So what I do next is I copy this title and I open a new chat and I use another prompt. All you need to do is type in here YouTube in this search bar, and this is the prompt that I'm using, YouTube script creator. Click on it and paste your title. So I've already done that, and here is the results ChatGPT gave me. So I paste the title of my video, 10 easy ways to save money, and it gave me a whole script for my video, and not just the script, but it gave me also what I should do for the video. So for example, for my opening shot, I'm gonna do a person holding a piggy bank and smiling at the camera, and as a host I'll be saying, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you live your best life. Today's topic is all about saving money, something we can all use a little help with. So yeah, the second shot is of a calculator and a stack of bills, and I'm be saying, let's face it, money can be tight sometimes, but that doesn't mean we have to sacrifice our financial well-being, etc, etc. So basically it gives you what you should do in your video and what you should say. It's like giving you everything. All you need to do is for example go to websites that give free stock videos and type in opening shot of a person holding a piggy bank, search for the video you want to use, and start editing the video like ChatGPT tells you to do. Easy life with ChatGPT. So yeah, basically it gives you what you should do for your whole video. And then what I do is I ask it to give me a description for this video, and here is the results it gave. Are you looking for simple ways to save money without sacrificing your financial well-being? Look no further. In this video we share 10 easy tips to help you save money on everyday expenses, etc, etc, etc. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving advice. Thanks for watching. So this is the description it gave me, and then I tell it to recommend me some hashtags that will help my video to rank on YouTube. And this is what it gave me: save money saving tips, frugal living, budgeting, personal finance, financial tips, etc, etc. So yeah, it's really powerful, and it makes your life easier. And all of this, I've done this in like 5 minutes, from creating the content calendar to creating the script. It's really powerful. You can create the whole the content for 1 month in one day. Yes, it's very possible. All at least the scripts, the descriptions, all you need to do is create the videos, and using like Canva or some other tools to make videos. It's really simple these days. It's not that hard to make these type of videos. So yeah, and by the way, finally, I tell you to recommend me what to do for my thumbnail, and this is the tips that gave me for my thumbnail. Use an eye-catching image. Choose image that represents the topic of your video. You could use an image of a piggy bank, shopping cart, or a stack of bills, for example. Include text. You could use the title of your video or short tagline like "Save money today." Use high-quality images. Keep it simple. Use contrasting colors. So yeah, these tips, by the way, are amazing. These tips are really amazing, and you will see that later on this video. So yeah, this is it for the first method. So for the second one, what I do is I use this extension here, YouTube summary with ChatGPT. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for YouTube summary with ChatGPT. Add it to your extensions. Once you add it, if you open YouTube, here what I do is, by the way, I check this the title that I wanna create a video about, 10 easy money tips. I copy it and paste it here on the search bar for in YouTube, 10 easy ways to save money, and see what videos comes up. This is the videos that comes up. As you can see, how to save money fast. This video, as you can see, the first two videos, the thumbnail of these videos are exactly what ChatGPT recommended. That's how you know this tool is really powerful, and it will make your life way more easier. So yeah, I click on this first video, for example, and when you add this extension, this thing pops up here, and if you click here, it will show you the whole script of the video: how to save money fast, 18 money saving tips, learning to save money, especially finding ways to do it quickly, something that can benefit everyone. So this is the whole script of the video, and you can copy it with one click here. If you come here, you can copy the whole script, or you can click here, and it will take you directly to ChatGPT, but it will give you the summary of this script. So what I do is copy the whole script. I copy it, and I open my ChatGPT, open a new chat here. Let's open a new chat, and I go here to the search bar here and search for rewrite. I want to rewrite this script, and I'm using this first prompt that comes up when I rewrite article, auto SEO, title and subtitles, keyword rich content. It's really powerful and very popular here, as you can see. So I click on it, and I paste the script that I copied from the video. So I copy the script. Here is the whole script of that video. So I copy it. Let's delete this, and hit enter, and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. So here is it's rewriting the whole script. It's gonna rewrite it for us, and you can use this script for your video. And that's it, guys. It's very powerful, as you can see. As you can see, guys, it's really powerful, easy. All you need to do is edit the video, and If also editing the video is hard for you, there are ways to use AI. There are some tools that help you do that, that I'm gonna share in future videos. So wanna see that, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do in next videos. I hope you guys like the video, so make sure to subscribe, and that's it. I'm gonna stop generating, so basically it's gonna be rewriting the whole script, and as you can see, it's really powerful. All of that in like you can do whole script, the description, the thumbnail, everything in 5 minutes. All you need to focus on is making the video. You don't need to waste your time on all of the other shit. Sorry for cursing. So yeah, basically that's it for today's video. I hope you found this very helpful, and see you later. Goodbye.